Hey Thunder Bay, spring's rolling in and it's the perfect time to mix things up a little. Why not start with a shiny new Chevrolet from Badanai Motors? As we proudly celebrate our 100th anniversary, we're bringing you some of the most amazing deals of the decade. Yes, a century of excellence, and we're still going strong. First things first, for all you truck lovers out there, it's the Adventure Calls event at Badanai Motors. And believe me, it's bigger and better than ever. Imagine yourself tearing up the roads in a brand spanking new Silverado 1500. This beast is all about muscle and flair. All right, let's talk about the deals we've got cooking. How to saving up to $5,300 in cash rebates, plus a nifty $1,200 bonus for eligible Costco members on select truck models. And don't worry if you're not a Costco member, we'll get you a $900 bonus because we want you enjoying big savings right from the get-go. And for those of you who like to keep things smart with your money, we're rolling out 0% financing for up to 60 months on approved credit on select truck trims. Zero interest means more money in your pocket while enjoying your dream truck. Not into long-term commitments? No problem. We've got flexible leasing options too. Enjoy low rates like 4.5% for 24 months on approved credit. Ideal for folks who love switching things up. Here's a little thank you from us. Spend $1,000 or more on truck accessories and we'll throw in a $200 rebate. It's our way of saying welcome to the Badanai Motors family. And hey, if you're eyeing a crossover or SUV, our Adventure Calls event is just what you need. We're talking low interest and finance rates for up to 84 months on approved credit. The deals are just as cool as the rides themselves. With all these offers, you'll be surprised at how affordable your monthly payment could be, making that dream SUV of yours a reality. Looking for a great deal on a used car? Great, because all of our pre-owned vehicles have been reduced. Plus, we've got your back with attractive finance rates as low as 7.97% on approved credit. That's a great budget-friendly way to get a reliable set of wheels. Plus, we've got an exclusive cherry on top for you. When you buy a vehicle with us, we're throwing in a $500 financial service credit. You can use this sweet little extra towards an extended warranty or spiff up your ride with our vehicle appearance packages. It's our special way of saying thanks and making sure your new wheels are not just great, but perfect for you. Whether it's extra peace of mind or a bit more shine on your ride, we've got you covered. Already got a vehicle? No worries. We've set aside a whopping $1 million in trade-in cash for pre-owned vehicles of all kinds. We're gearing up for a busy spring and want to fill our lot, so you're likely to get a fantastic deal on your current ride. And here's something extra exciting. When you request a trade appraisal during this event, you're automatically entered into our draw. We're talking about the chance to win one of 5 $1,000 gas cards. It's just our way of fueling your adventures, making every journey a little more rewarding and celebrating 100 years of automotive passion. So what's the holdup? These exclusive deals are only up for grabs this month at our dealership. Hit the Make Me an Offer Now button, tell us about your current vehicle, and get your share of the $1 million trade-in cash. Your new Chevrolet is waiting for you right here at Badanai Motors. Let's make this spring a blast.